Do you want to save money at the pump? Understanding fuel efficiency could be your key to big savings. Fuel efficiency is more than just a buzzword. It's a concept that has a direct impact on your wallet and the environment. Here's why. A fuel-efficient car uses less gas to travel the same distance. That means fewer trips to the gas station, saving you money over time. But it's not just about the money. Burning less fuel also means reducing greenhouse gas emissions, which is a win for the environment. Now, you might be wondering, how does my car's maintenance affect its fuel efficiency? Well, it's simple. A well-maintained car runs more efficiently, and an efficient car consumes less fuel. From the pressure in your tires to the condition of your engine, every little detail can make a difference in your car's fuel efficiency. So, how can you improve your car's fuel efficiency? Let's dive in. First on the list, your car's tire pressure. It plays a crucial role in fuel efficiency. Think of it like this. Your car's tires are the only point of contact between your vehicle and the road. If they're not properly inflated, you're making your engine work harder than it needs to, burning more fuel in the process. Now let's talk about underinflated tires. They create more resistance, meaning your engine burns more fuel getting from point A to point B. On the flip side, overinflated tires can reduce traction, making your vehicle less stable on the road. So, how do you keep your tire pressure in the Goldilocks zone? It's simple. Most cars have a sticker on the driver's side door jamb that tells you the recommended tire pressure. Use a tire pressure gauge to check it regularly and adjust as needed. Remember, the little things make a big difference. Keep those tires in check, and you'll notice the difference in your mileage. Next, consider the lifeblood of your engine, the oil. Regular oil changes are crucial for maintaining engine health and boosting fuel efficiency. Think of oil as your engine's personal trainer, keeping it fit and running smoothly. Without regular oil changes, your engine has to work harder, burning more fuel and costing you more money at the pump. Now, whether you're rolling up your sleeves to do it yourself or heading to a professional service, there are a few things to know about oil changes. First, don't wait too long between changes. While the exact timeline varies, a good rule of thumb is every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Second, always use the right type of oil for your vehicle. Check your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendation. Remember, the right oil and regular changes are your engine's best friends. A finely tuned engine isn't just about power, it's also about efficiency. Regular engine tune-ups play a vital role in enhancing fuel efficiency. They ensure your engine is running smoothly and optimally, allowing your vehicle to use less fuel. Now you might be wondering, how do you keep an engine in peak condition? The answer lies in regular maintenance and vigilance. Start by checking your spark plugs. These little guys ignite the fuel in your engine, and if they're worn out or dirty, they can cause your engine to burn more fuel than necessary. Next, don't forget about your air filters. When these become clogged with dirt and dust, your engine has to work harder and burn more fuel to draw in air. Replacing a dirty air filter can actually improve your car's fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Remember, a well-maintained engine not only runs better, but it also saves you money at the pump. So, to quickly recap our fuel efficiency tips. Firstly, maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial. Remember, underinflated or overinflated tires can negatively impact your fuel consumption. So keep those tires in check. Next, regular oil changes are the heart of fuel efficiency. Ensure your engine is running smoothly by changing your oil regularly and using the right type for your vehicle. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your miles per gallon. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a well-tuned engine. Regular tune-ups and maintenance, including checking spark plugs and air filters, can significantly enhance your vehicle's fuel efficiency. We also touched on the importance of aerodynamics and how a clean, well-maintained vehicle exterior can reduce wind resistance. And don't forget those bonus tips, reducing excess weight and minimizing idling. Implement these tips and you'll be on your way to better fuel efficiency and savings at the pump. Don't forget to share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. We hope you found these fuel efficiency tips helpful. We've covered a lot of ground today, and we hope you'll put these tips into practice. Remember, achieving fuel efficiency isn't just about saving money at the pump, it's also about reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier planet. Regular maintenance is key to achieving this. It's not just about one big change, but a series of small adjustments that can make a big difference. So, give them a try and see how much of a difference they can make to your vehicle's performance and your wallet. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more fuel-efficient future. Drive safe, stay green, and remember, every little bit helps. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.